Fully autonomous surface vehicles must be able to maneuver in environments with high levels of uncertainty while maintaining the integrity of the vehicle and the external objects. In order to cope with the increasing demand for complexity in unknown environments, vehicles must be capable of successfully performing collision avoidance. This project presents a collision avoidance method for autonomous surface vehicles. A novel, deep reinforcement learning neural network is proposed to train speed and heading commands to act as a guidance law for path following while performing collision avoidance. This project presents a novel application for deep reinforcement learning techniques while serving as a base for future research in dynamic obstacle collision avoidance problems. This project builds upon the previous semester's work with collision avoidance and deep reinforcement learning control. In addition, the method will be implemented and simulated with open source software. For this, there is no monetary cost. No physical experimentation results are presented due to the COVID pandemic. More than 75% of incidents in shipping industry are caused by human error and can therefore be avoided by autonomous vessel technology. This project proposes a novel, deep reinforcement learning neural network to act as a guidance law for collision avoidance while using a low-level speed and heading adaptive sliding mode controller. In other words, the DRL method is used to train heading and speed commands so the boat follows a path while avoiding obstacles. OpenAI Gym was used to create the simulation environment. TensorFlow and Keras were used to train the reinforcement learning neural network. This approach is validated in simulation experiments in which the ability of the DRL agent to follow a path while avoiding static obstacles is demonstrated. The agent will be able to choose an angle and speed that avoids obstacles and that respects the vehicle's limitations while following a path.